yesterday's session we have discussed about SQL, right? RDBMS. So in this session we are going to see how our Java application will interact with the database, how we can provide the connection between our Java application to database. Okay. Before that we need to know about JDBC. So JDBC means, what is the abbreviation for JDBC? Java Database Connectivity. So to provide connection between our Java application to database, we need to follow some steps. Nearly it is 6 steps we have. So those steps we can learn here. We have material. You can open that. Just you can see once. Okay. So we have a number of scenarios here. Here scenario is write a Java program that establish a connection to Oracle database successfully. If connection is successful, it should display the message connection established successfully. In case it is not able to do due to any exception, it should display the message connection could not be established. If there is an exception, it should also display the description of exception. So this is very simple thing. And another one is in just a conclude exercise where you have established the connection successfully, exclude the registration process by connecting a line containing the code class.forName. Okay, observe these result here. Okay, these are small scenarios, and going to other step, we need to execute the query, and we need to process the results, right? So there we have another scenarios like write a Java program that connects to Oracle database queries, build the table employee, and display first two columns, employee number using column index and ename using column name of all the rows. Another one, modify above program, display the rows where salary is greater than 1000 and less than 2000. Display column name, job, salary columns. Okay. So and another one, by using prepare statement and meta objects. So we have material, open that, you can study once. Okay, we have big scenario here. So before that we will see how we can provide connection between Java application database. Then you can practice all these scenarios. It will be easy once if you listen carefully about these JDBC and the Java connections, how to do. Then doing these scenarios are very easy. Okay, trust me, you will do this one very easily if you practice what I'm doing here. Okay, so step by step I'm going to explain, listen carefully. Okay, yes, here the first thing is open the Oracle database, and you can give username and password. My Oracle database having this username, system, and password also I have given system only. Remember, these are important things while you are writing the code. So click on login, and you can go to SQL and commands, SQL commands. There you will get this text area box. Okay, here you can write your queries. First thing, I already explained about how to create tables and all, right? So same thing you will write through Java code. Okay, first we will create one table called employee. EMP already I have created, right? So I can give this is EMP9 table. Okay, create a table. What is the syntax to create a table? Create a table name. Next, so you can write like what you will write. You can write employee ID, EMP ID, EMP ID. That is int type I am giving. Means number type we can give number. I'm giving size also, and e name, employee name, EMP name can I give? Okay, e name I'm giving. That is varchar type. that of 20 I'm giving. Next, EMP salary, ESAL I'm giving as a column name. Salary, it is a double type, or I can give number type. Two, sorry, number of giving size. Okay, close this one. Now you are going to create a table. So they will give some scenarios like EMP ID should be a primary key and E name should not contain a null values. Then you will give here not null. Here you will give primary key. So in that way you can do. Okay, based on requirement you need to do. Okay, so table created here. So I want to insert something. So these operations I can do by using the Java. Okay, even you can create a table with Java also. Okay, so just I am giving a very simple example. See here. So we are in Wipro 2025 project, right? So for DB operations, I am going to create one separate package. Right click on SRC, then go to new, create a package, com.app.jdbc examples, JDBC examples, something you can create as a package name. So my all JDBC operations would be here. Okay, before that you need to know about the setup. So for connecting these Java application to database, we need one jar file. We need one jar file. So already I have downloaded the jar file, and even if you don't know, if it is a Oracle 10G, the jar file available here itself. So where is that location? Oracle installer location, Oracle data or app Oracle. Then go to product, then go to 10.2.0 version server. Then here you can see JDBC available, right? So if I go to this, I can find a lib file. That lib file contains JDBC 14 jar. 14 is version. Okay, so you just copy that one, copy, then go to Eclipse IDE, right click on your project, then go to new, click on folder. There you can give folder name is lib library, lib folder you can create. So here we have that lib folder. Right click on that, then paste your jar file here. Java rq file. So open that one, expand that one, and right click on the jar, then go to build path. You can add your jar to build path. Okay, add it to build path. That's added. Okay, so after that you can write your Java code. Okay, so that means what are the statement, prepare statement, callable statements you are using, result set, these all the code available in this, like class dot for name you are writing, for creating a connection you are writing connection con equal to driver manage get connection. So these all the code available in that jar. Okay, so that class and interfaces available, default methods are available, execute, execute, update, execute, query methods are available, right? So now I'm going to show the example. Right click new, go to class. You are going to create some CRUD operations. CRUD operations. Okay, so I'm giving a class name as CRUD operation, create, read, update, delete. These operations we are going to perform. Okay, actually we have four types of drivers. Those are JDBC, ODBC bridge driver, native API driver, network protocol driver, thin driver. So we are using fourth driver, that is a thin driver. Okay, so first thing what we need to do, so it will throw some exceptions. To handle that, we can use try and catch blocks. All right. If I want to display where the exception and the exception name and exception line, we can write here e dot print stack trace method, which you already learned in the exception handling concept, right? Okay. Now you can write the code here. So first step is what? We need to import java.sql package. Second step, we need to load the driver by using this one. By using class.forName method, we can load the driver. So where is the driver? That location you need to give. So that is available in the jar, right? That is Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Okay, you can write. See, these all are small cases, and here O and D are capital letters. Java is case sensitive language. If you give any mistake, you cannot, we will find one exception, class not found exception. Okay, so to avoid that, you need to write these all are in small cases, and this starting letter and next word starting letter should be capital letter. So by using this, what you can achieve, that means we are loading the driver. Okay, we register the driver first step. After the second step is you need to create the connection. How we can create a connection? By using connection, sorry, spelling is connection. It will come automatically from which package? Java.sql package. Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Okay, now you can give that connection syntax here. So what is that connection? JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost 1521 is the port number, localhost colon our schema name xe, that is the default schema name xe. So after that you can give username and password. What is the username I have? So my system username means that Oracle database username is system, and password also system, that we have given here. These steps you must remember. Okay, so this is the URL, and that second one is username and password. Okay, so by using this we can create the connection, load the drivers, create the connection. Next we'll create the statement. First step is what? Create the statement interface, that is from java.sql package. Here statement is interface. Okay, reference stmt equal to uh, connection reference is con dot create statement. This is a method. Okay, so statement has created. After that, what we need to do here means write the query. You can write the query q1. I am writing q1. I want to insert the data into my table. What is the query? Will write insert into, what is the table name we have written there? Table name is emp9. Okay, with the employee id, employee name, employee salary. Okay, that we can write here. Insert into emp9 values of that thing you need to write here. Values of, what are the values we have? Emp id, that is number type, so and 101. Next emp name, that is varchar type, right ram. Then you can write is salary, that is also number type. Okay, there you can write that salary. Okay, so you have written the query that you need to execute, right? How to execute? So by using execute update method. So where is that query? It's in HTML.